Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to leave a review on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account. So here in the upper right corner, you want to go ahead and click the sign in button. That's going to enable you to log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Fiverr, where we can get started with leaving a review. So here, as you can see, we can browse all the sections for finding gigs. Here we can see our browsing history and so on. So let's say we have used a gig, we have ordered something from somebody, and now we want to leave a review. This is how we can do it. Basically, all we have to do is just go right here into the upper right corner and click on the orders button. Click on orders. That's going to open up a list of all the orders that we had. So here, if you have ordered some gigs previously, they will appear right here where you'll be able to open them up. So after opening it up, it will show you a screen of the gig and a button will say to leave a review. So you'll be able to go ahead and get started with writing your review, and after posting it, your review will be left for everybody to be able to read it and will count towards their stars. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.